Hello, Shishir. It's
Hi.
been quite a time following you. And hi, everybody. It's a nice session.
Thank you. Thank
Myself,
you.
me and my friend Sagar, he is also with me. And we built a food delivery app in 2018 in a city named Chakda in West Bengal.
hmm
It's 100 kilometers away from Kolkata itself. And it's a rural town with 1.2 lakhs population. So what we did in 3 years, we started with an offline model, where a offline call center model, where we used to customers calls via phone, and we delivered them food, groceries, and the staples. In 2019 December, we came up with a very basic mobile app. In 2020 January, we launched the app, and today we have nearly 14,000 downloads in this city only, with a have AOV with 240 rupees and monthly 3,000 orders, and monthly GMV is around 7.2 lakhs. So this is the numbers, and now the problem we are facing is that we made the app with some third party. They are in Delhi, and our calculation we made our unit economics calculation few months back, and we pivoted in February 2021 this year. And our unit economics is, as presently we are in positive metrics, but we are facing huge gap between our thinking and the product we have. We understand the product needs much investment that we don't have now, and we are stuck. But we are stuck with orders. We have 5% MOM growth on GMV. We are acquiring more customers. We know how to calculate lifetime value, and how to generate money, and where is the cream. We know that, but we don't have the product. And maybe this is due to our lack of knowledge, maybe due to the investment, and thus I'm here.
Okay. So first of all, let me tell you, just near to your town, we had a startup called Niramya Soul. Last week we raised 2 crores for them,
Okay.
and they were having far, far, far lesser revenue than yours. Yours is
Yeah.
like 7 lakh per month, right?
Yes.
Right. So their revenue was less, but they have raised 2 crores through us, and one single investor invested. Their round is over. Right, and we
Okay.
are raising, preparing for the second round for them. So uh, it's actually very good, and I'll tell you the reason. Investor also gave this reason that I prefer startups from B town, smaller places, because the next revolution will come there. Right, so it's good. Second, if your app is having a difficulty, or if your team is not able to execute, what we can do is, but not right now, immediately, our team is also very busy. There is a shortage of technology talent in India, but later on, maybe next month or so, when our team gets a bit relaxed, then we can probably support you through our technology team, right? In case you want to outsource this project, or in case you just need the advisory and consultancy in getting this done, we can help you there. Third, funding. Yes, definitely we can help you with the funding. And in that case, what we can do is, probably you can raise a crore or 2 crore rupees, and then spend on digital marketing, complete your app, and scale it up, right? And then we can go for the VC funding.
Uh, if that is your say, then I am no one to comment. And see, honestly, I'm not here to ask 2 crores or 3 crores. Uh, I want to set the product in that way that we planned, that we dreamt of. And in this rural town, we already have Zomato as our competitor last month, and we still are having 5% month on month more orders this month, and we know we need to spend on CAC, but we only willing to do that once the product is ready. Until I think financially we don't, we need not to go with bulk offers and all, because we don't, we are not in such space to spend on those expenses, incurring offers and all. And the model is pretty simple. Let me share a few features of this model. Unlike Zomato, we don't manipulate with the price, and the price is fixed here. We charge a very nominal 5 to 15% commission. It's variable on the sales. Lower the commission, lower the sales, lower the commission, higher the sales, higher the commission. And we charge 25 rupees for a delivery that is within 2.5 kilometers. So this is the model, and as of now we started with 2 pin codes, and now we are in 10 pin codes. In last 1 year we have grown from 30 restaurants to 65 restaurants presently, catering in 1 nearby cities, that is 15 kilometers away from Chakda. And this is where we stand. And I already shared my pitch deck with SL team, and also gave a nice feedback as well on the pitch deck. And we are also working on the pitch deck. Your team gave us some brilliant views and the corrections where we needed to work. And I'm really looking forward to this, and I want to gather more knowledge how to do this and make this sustainable, not a unicorn in a hurry.
Right. So what I would recommend is to don't do your pitch deck yourself. Let our team do it, because that is just for saving some money. You end up losing the opportunity of, generally this happens with a lot of entrepreneurs, they end up losing the opportunity of getting funded. So better to get this done through our team, because we know what to do, how to do, and where to, and why, right? So we just want to present the best pitch deck, best projection, and while we make the projections, we also do the right kind of budgeting for you. If you just follow that sheet and start whatever amount you receive in funding and you invest accordingly, you will always be successful, right? So that is something which will be going to help you in longer run, right? So what you can do is, probably our team can connect, and you can discuss other things, and we can take this ahead. Next 4 weeks are full, but we can give you 5th or 6th Saturday from now, and let's see if this funding works. Definitely we can raise another bigger funding for you.
Thanks a lot. Okay,
pleasure talking.